Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, for example this one. Then let's tap on this pencil icon, which is the edit option. And let me quickly remove the photo. So basically this is what you will see after entering the contact with no photo assigned. So let's tap on this circle or just on this option, add picture. And here we've got some options to choose from. We've got first of all the illustrations. If you will have the internet connection, you will be able to check those graphics, and I highly recommend to do that because they are really cool and pretty. Google Photos, which is your gallery, device photos, where we've got the gallery again, and your camera. So basically after tapping on this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you want to catch a photo quickly. But let me pick something from the gallery. And right here we've got our gallery, and for some reason I have no idea what's going on with those. So let's randomly pick this one, and we've got this photo, which is okay. In this section, in this step, actually, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the position of it, and thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on choose. We've got this photo, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like with our photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.